When it comes to protecting your home and improving its energy efficiency, we often focus on windows, insulation, or even the roof. But one area that is often overlooked is the door. Your front door is more than just an entryway to your home. It serves as a critical element for both security and energy efficiency. If you're considering home improvements or renovations, upgrading your door can be one of the most impactful decisions you make. Here's how a new door can boost your home's security and save you money and energy costs. Enhanced security with modern materials and technology. Old, worn-out doors can be a security risk. Over time, wood can weaken, and metal can corrode, making it easier for intruders to break in. A new door, however, can significantly improve the security of your home. Today's modern doors are crafted from durable materials such as fiberglass, steel, and reinforced wood. These materials are far stronger than traditional wood doors, making them difficult to break down or damage. Steel doors, for example, are incredibly sturdy and can resist forced entry. They are often paired with multi-point locking systems, which lock the door at multiple points, making it much harder for burglars to gain access. Additionally, fiberglass doors can mimic the appearance of wood while providing superior durability and resistance to damage. This combination of strong materials and advanced locking mechanisms creates a formidable barrier against unauthorized entry. Beyond the door itself, modern doors can be equipped with advanced security features such as smart locks and video doorbells. Smart locks offer keyless entry, enabling you to control access to your home via your smartphone, while video doorbells allow you to see who's at the door before opening it, even if you're not home. These high-tech options help you monitor and secure your home with greater peace of mind. Improved insulation and energy efficiency. Another key benefit of upgrading your door is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those with poor insulation, can contribute to significant heat loss in the winter and cool air loss in the summer. This means your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, resulting in higher energy bills. A new door, designed with energy efficiency in mind, can solve this problem. Modern doors are often equipped with better insulation properties, such as foam cores, which prevent the transfer of heat and cold between your home's interior and the outside world. Steel and fiberglass doors are particularly energy efficient because they provide excellent thermal resistance. Additionally, new doors come with high-quality weather stripping and seals that reduce drafts, ensuring that the door fits snugly and minimizes air leakage. Double-glazed doors, particularly in areas that face extreme weather conditions, can also help maintain the temperature inside your home. The space between the panes of glass acts as an additional layer of insulation, further enhancing the energy efficiency of the door. By upgrading to an energy-efficient door, you're not only keeping your home more comfortable year-round, but you're also lowering your energy consumption. This can lead to significant savings over time, especially when combined with other energy-efficient home upgrades. Increased curb appeal and property value. Aside from security and energy efficiency, a new door can also improve the aesthetic appeal of your home. The front door is one of the first things visitors and potential buyers notice, and a stylish, high-quality door can make a great first impression. Whether you prefer a classic wooden look or a modern, sleek design, new doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes to suit any home. A beautifully designed door can enhance your home's curb appeal, making it more inviting and visually attractive. This is particularly important if you're planning to sell your home, as an updated door can increase the resale value. Potential buyers will appreciate the added security and energy savings, which may make your home more appealing compared to others on the market. Lower maintenance costs. New doors, especially those made of fiberglass or steel, require less maintenance than traditional wooden doors. Wooden doors often need to be repainted, refinished, or treated for water damage, which can be time-consuming and costly. In contrast, fiberglass and steel doors are highly resistant to weathering, fading, and warping, making them much easier to care for. A new door, with its modern materials and low maintenance requirements, can save you both time and money in the long run. Conclusion: investing in a new door is more than just an aesthetic upgrade. It's a smart decision for your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. With advanced materials, security features, and insulation technologies, today's doors provide unparalleled protection against the elements and intruders. By upgrading your door, you can enjoy a safer, more energy-efficient home, lower utility bills, and enhanced curb appeal. Whether you're upgrading for your own peace of mind or preparing your home for sale, a new door is an investment that pays off in many ways.